Pag nag-sale kayo, ano no, 30% lahat. Maliban.
Okay.
Maliban sa mga promo price na nila.
Okay.
One of the best to ever do it.
Well, last Sunday, I went to Mandawi Foam to pick up some items that I purchased online. And nabalitaan ko, it's going to be their summer sale on April 3 to 16. So, ang ginawa ko naman is pinicturean ko na lang lahat yung mga items doon just to share with you guys kung ano ba yung makukuha nyo. And they're having a sale up to 30% on all regular items. So, what you waiting for? Let's check kung ano yung mga nandun, and hope you like some other stuff. Baka may mabili kayo dito, saktong-sakto for incoming freshmen na mag-move here in Manila. Kung bibili kayo ng mga gamit or anything na pambahay, pan-decorate, marami sila dun. All 30%, up to 30% off. And hope you like it. So, April 3 to 16, magsisale sila. So, okay guys, let's check the video. So, if you're looking for a bookshelf, ito siya. Bookshelf siya. So, let's take a look. So, unahin natin mga promo guys. Yung mga pinakamura sa lahat. This one, ito yung pinaka nakita ko. Isa sa mga sulit na. This one is Cyrus Bookshelf. It's 826 na. So, for the price, you have 5 shelves. Not bad na to. Then, you also have this one. This is a Pori 3-tier bookcase. This is 560. So this is what it looks like. So medyo mababa lang. Siguro hanggang tuhod ko lang to. Ayan. Ito medyo mas mataas. This one is 686. Then yung mas malaki naman, this one is 910. Not bad na for 910. Lalo na kung may mga pan-display ka. Ano yung mga Gundam mo na maliit lang. Pwede na dito. Then you also have this Donna bookcase naman. This is 1,630. So this one is may less pa to na 30%. So let's check another promo price here. This one is 1,990. This is Polo 2 book side. And yan siya. This is another promo price. So medyo malaki-laki rin naman to. This is Toby 3 shelves bookcase. So, medyo malaki din to. So, siguro hanggang dibdib ko to. It's 1,120. Not bad. 1,120. Malaki na siya. So, this one, this is pricey but yet classy. It's Rocco 4-tier bookcase. This is color brown. Is 4,800. So, this will have a discount as well. Then this is Sharon 4-tier bookcase naman. This is 2,150. Ito medyo solid ang kulay nito. This is
pwede ba press up code na lang sabay ano?
2,950 na to.
Presyo?
Medyo hanggang ano ko na to, eye level ko na to. It's still maganda. Then we also have here a bookshelf. This is 4,500. So this is a 5-layer naman siya. So ito siya, yung iba dyan. So let's go sa bed naman tayo. So most of the prices naman here, 30% off. And pag naka-promo price na, ibig sabihin yung promo price nila. So let's check. So this one here is Veda wooden host bed. So naka-promo price siya. So, it's 4,615 na lang. So, makikita natin the base here is a combination of steel and wood. So, yung wood niya is ito lang. Yung mga kanto-kanto lang yan. Pero, what I like is this model. It's Yoshino double bed. It's 54 by 75. It's 4,690. So, almost 4,700. But this is really huge considering na meron ka pang space for something for your cell phone, for your books here on top. So maganda-ganda to. Medyo malaki-laki. So sulit to. Promo price na rin siya. So wala na siyang discount. Then this one naman is Alta Vista bed. This is 19,400. It's 54 by 75 the size. And yeah, very simple lang. So maganda yung solid tong board nito. Maganda din. Then we have here na medyo mas mura-mura. It's a Coma. It's a double bed. It's 11,300. And what I like about this is, ano siya, hindi siya wood. Pag nakanto ka dito, syempre pag nagdadakad ka dyan, pag nakanto ka, hindi ka magkakapasa, konting pasa lang kasi naka-cover siya ng foam. Kaya yun yung maganda dito. So this one here is it's called Lilibeth. It's 48 by 75 walnut color. It's 16,000. So promo price na siya. So very simple lang siya, but still napakaganda. This is a carnation bed. It's 54 by 75. It's promo price, and this is 15,700. So yeah, this is the base. You can see. Just very simple lang naman siya, but very sturdy naman ta. Puro. And this one naman, this one is cheaper. It's 7,210. It's Louisiana bed. It's 54 by 75 din. So white yung color naman niya. Same lang din dun. So parang ano lang siya, bar lang yung design niya. Then this one is Martinez bed. It's 54 by 75. It's 16,000 pesos. So mag-less 30% ka pa dito pag nag-same na. So ganito naman siya. So here, the next, ito, gusto ko to, itong bed na to. This one is I really like. It's a Matchbox black walnut bed. So it's a 54 by 75 then. It's 16,600. So may discount pa to sa 30%. So what I like about this is, ito pa rin. Gusto ko talaga yung sa taas na meron kang space na pwede mo ilagay yung cellphone mo or yung clock mo or yung book mo para pag inantok ka na, lalagay mo lang sa puluhan mo. Then next one is, this one is Raya double bed. It's 13,900. So it will have a 30% off then. This is a very simpler one and very elegant naman. Mataas yung headboard nito but maganda. Maganda yung design niya.
Ano yung kailangan mo sa ilalim?
So this bed naman is Robert bed. This one is much bigger. It's a 60 by 75. It's 22,100. May less pa yan. And this one is Rose bed naman. This is 60 by 75. So medyo malalaki-laki. It's 19,900. Almost 20,000. Ito, medyo mataas-taas itong bed naman na to. It's April Queen bed. This is also 60 by 75. It's 19,600. Pero maganda dito is medyo naka-elevate siya dito. So medyo mataas-taas ang ano mo dito. Kaya lang pag nakanto ka, masakit to. Then this is the Florence bed. This is 25,700. So this is the base. So medyo malalaki. Siya maganda dito. Cloth yun nandito. Tsaka sa headboard niya cloth. Then very simple lang siya. Tignan. Ito maganda rin to. It's si shoe cabinet. Pero ang taas niya. Sobrang taas nito. Pwede ka maglagay ng TV here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Maglalagay ka na mga shoes mo. And it's 4,700. So may 30% off pa to. Ganda nila pag dalawa to. Parang ang laki masyado nilang tignan. Then you have another one here. If you need mirrors, ano na sa mga pagkaan. It's 1,300 naman. Then yeah, this is the mirror that I got last year. So parang pumapatak na is less than 1,000 na lang siya. So super laki nito. So sulit na siya. So this one is a steel steel naman to. So parang halos kasing taas ko lang. I'm about, ano naman, it's elevated naman eh. So it's probably parang mga 5 feet. Malaki-laki din to. Nasa 5 feet din to. Kasi I'm only 5'6" eh. So it's probably 5 feet, more than 5 feet to. Then if you need a chest drawer, so this is what it looks like. This is 5,380. Then this one naman is same din. Wow, maganda. Parang marble naman to. It's 4,020 pesos. So may 30% off lahat naman to sa sale. This one is 5 chest drawer type. It's 4,170. So maganda na. Then ito medyo malaki-laki. Ito talagang solid to. It's 10,100. Pero ang ganda ito. Elegante to. Ang klase na design. Then if you need a light shoe cabinet, this one is mataas. So mas matangkad sa akin to. So this one, this is what it looks like. The shoe cabinet here. I think this is 5'10". Let's check. It's 186 centimeters. Okay. So maganda to. Medyo malaki-laki to. So ilang layer to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 layer. And I think sa isang row, you can fit, kung may shoe organizer ka dito, you can fit 5 pairs. Yung magkapatong na pares kung meron ka dun. Kung wala naman siguro, at least you can fit, kung panlalaki it's 2 pairs, kung pambabae naman at least 3 pairs naman dito. So this is how much? This is 3,640. So not bad for the price. So ito rin, shoe cabinet, cement yung color niya. Ang cute. Modern yung pagkakulay niya. It's 4,170. So ang taas nito is 1,051 centimeters and ang haba is 63 centimeters. Ito medyo elegante to. Ang cute. There's a mirror in front of the drawer. So this one is 3 layers naman siya. So yeah, pati yung loob ang ganda oh. Smooth yung loob. Makita nyo yung medyo may carpet siya sa loob. Hindi siya yung wood agad. Then this one, malaki-laki din to. Ang ganda nito. It's a little bit pricey. It's 11,500 but still may ano pa rin to, may discount pa rin to. So I think around 3,000, less than 4,000 pesos on discount here. But this one is what I really like. This is a Hermosa chest drawer, walnut color. So ang haba nito is 1,467 centimeters and the height is 825. So malaki to, super malaki to. Tsaka maganda yung handle nyo. This is steel. So malamang ka na malalagay dito. Oops. Here you go. Ano naman ito? So this one is shoe cabinet naman. Tatlong pintuan is 4,720. Yan siya. Ito yung loob naman niya. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layer naman to. Then you have another one here. Siguro one pair lang yun nandito natin. So siguro pag kailangan ka o yung mga shoe cleaner mo, dito mo na lang ilalagay. Medyas mo, dito mo na lang ilalagay. Right now, maraming mga ano dito. I think this is the kitchen area, the dining area here. So makita nyo, marami silang display here at Quezon Avenue Bridge. So let's take a look kung ano ba yung mga nandito. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo guys. So check nyo na lang to sa Mandaue site nila. So this one is the Ghost 4-6 extension table walnut. Then, if gusto niyo naman yung medyo malaki-laki elegante, this is 21,175. So, ayan siya. Set na to. Then, ito naman, this one is a 6-seater dining set. Medyo round lang siya. So, 27,700. So, ito medyo classy-classy. Ito. Maganda to. Pati upuan ito. Ang ganda ng style. This one is 40,800. So, this is a 6-seater dining set. So, glass on top niya. Then, ito yung kulay niya. So, maganda rin yung ano nito. Maganda rin yung chair nito. Maganda yung phone ring. Then, if you want a cheaper one, you have this 6-seater dining set. Ebony naman yung kulay niya. So, ito is parang tubing lang to. Tapos nilagyan ng wood. So, this is only 5,740. So, then, this is 30%. No. This is ano na to. Promo price na nila. 5,740. So, not bad na to for this. Maganda na rin siya. Then, you have here, kung gusto mo yung ganitong kulay. This is a 6-seater dining set. This is called Grace. This is 31,700. So, maganda yung ano nito. Kita mo naman yung quality ng ano ng cover ng chair. It's talagang maganda. Hindi siya yung madaling matatastas at hindi siya yung mapupunit talaga. So this one is promo price naman nila. This is a 4-seater dining set. Medyo gold yung kulay nito. It's only 7,000 pesos and 55. So, if you want here, ito naman, kung medyo maliit na kayong family, this is a 4-seater dining set. It's Sylvester. The model here is Sylvester. So, maganda rin yung upuan nito. So, mabigat. Puro to. Makikita mo, puro talaga. Pati yung chair. Ganda. Then, quality, this is 15,300. So, may 30% off pa. And this one is made of glass, but the base is made of wood. Then this one is solid din to. It's a 6-seater Redford, and it's a promo price of 26,460. So this is one I like, very simple but classy. This is a 6-seater. It's Emerson yung model niya. So 6-seater, medyo malaki-laki to. When you see the base here, talagang solid. Solid yung ano nito, mabigat. And this one is maganda yung mga studs niya na ganito. Yung design niya. Very simple and clean. So this one is Emerson. This is 42,600. Kung medyo malaki-laki yung pamilya nyo at kailangan na may mga pang-sampuan, this one is for you. So this is 47,000 pesos. It's Havana. The name of the model is Havana. Actually, ang seats lang yata nito is 8. Kita nyo, 4 lang dito, 4 lang dun. So may kita mo naman dito, pwede ka pa pang lagay dito at sa dulo. So pwedeng pang 10-seater to. This is 47,000. Medyo malaki-laki ito. It's 210 centimeters by 106. Ang height naman niya is 75.7 centimeters. So malaki-laki ito. Then another one here. Maganda rin to. Ito solid din. This one is 10-seater din to. The name is George. It's a 10-seater table dining set. So, ganito siya. So, yung wood niya is color brown, light brown. Golden, parang bronze na. So, this one is 55,500. Maganda siya. Ito siya. Okay guys. Punta naman tayo dito sa dining table naman. So, ito, lagi ko ito nakikita. This is a folding table. I think this can fit 6. So, nakikita ko to KL Uy kasi pinafollow ko siya. So, it's a folding table. Na mangyari, this one is collapsible. Collapse siya pababa. So, ito yung base nito. Pinush mo yung ganito, bababa siya. So, nagiging manipis na lang siya. So, ito, nakukolapse siya pababa. Ito, nagkukolapse din pababa. So, ito na lang natitira yung gitna. So, yung may mga maliliit na bahay dyan. Magandang-maganda to. Plus, you have also additional space sa baba na 2 layer. So, this cost 8,150. So, kung 30% siya, ang nangyayari is, it's only 5,705 pesos na lang. So, for 5,700, this is a good deal na. And plus, may mga ibang kulay pa to. So, if you want a longer table, this is a classy one. So, this is, it's a little bit pricey. It's 49,500. It's 200 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So, malaki-laki to. So, kaya dito is 8. 8 naman ang kaya dyan. So, let's go for, mga pangbata at saka mga student. I think this one is 6,630. And this is good for 4. Maganda. Parang steel yung pictures niya. Then you have here na maliitan na pandalawahan lang or di natin mga pang lang. So you have a space here na pwede mong lagyan kung anong kailangan mo ilagay, mga plato mo. And this only costs 3,115. So set na siya. Kasama na siya yung 2 chairs. So not bad for 3,115. Then we have another here, mga maliliit lang to. This one is puro to. 5,285. Comes with a chair and table. So if you're looking for a foam pillow, this is 329 na lang. Naka-promo price sila. So buy one take one. So ito medyo malaki-laki siya. Not bad. For 329. So you also have a buy one take one fiber pillow here. It's 359 pesos. Malaki-laki na rin ito. At malambot. Yung mga Huggy bolsters nila. Ayan. Meron din akong ganyan sa bahay. It's only 380 pesos. So may discount pa to. This one, they discount pa. So much shorter. This is 380. The other one on the left side, it's 300 pesos naman. Right? So they also have here the wedge pillow. It's 1,000 pesos. Ito yung mga kanto-kanto. You also have here yung mga bed cover nila. Beddings. It's all 30% off. This one is 865 pesos. So this is for twin. It's 72 inch by 90 inch. So dalawang pillowcase and one bedding na to. So this one, it's ganda rin to. It's king size. This is 565 king beddings. Malaki na to. Sulit na yan. So this is the color combination. So different colors siya. I think dalawa yata to. Dalawang kulay yung available nila here. So they also have here a 4-piece set. Mura na rin to. Sa 4-piece set na to. It's only 669. For ano to, king size na to. Not bad. Lapit na maubos to. So, naghahanap ka naman ng mga wall decors nyo. So, dito yung pinakamura. Ito, it's 30% off. Ano siya kalaki, tsaka how much naman siya. So, you have the bike here. That's 795 pesos. So it's 30% off guys. Sabihin ko siya, 30% off siya or naka-promo price siya. This one is 535. Malaki-laki to. This is my hand. So malaki to. So this is 535. This one is, I really like this one. It's 895 pesos. Malaki siya. I think this is the Empire State Building. Then sa mga ano naman, mga coats, yan. This is 400 pesos. That one is 410. Sa mga accent naman, this one is 400 pesos. And this is 400. This is 450. The Eiffel Tower is on sale right now. It's 245. So marami-rami siya. Ito siya. It's 1,239. 895. So meron naman siya yung mga 3 sets. Ito yung gamit ng sister ko. It's 1,561 pesos. Then this one is, ito malaki to, ang ganda. Nakaka relax. This is 735 pesos. 30% off pa yan. So if you need mirrors, so ito naman siya, you know, mirrors. You have several mirrors. And there. You have the clocks here, that's 850. Ay, mura to, ang ganda pa. Sayang hindi ako nakabili nito. This is 775. This one is 800. So halos, that's the range. It's 800 to 850. Ito nga maganda oh. It's 450 na lang. Ang ganda. So ito pa yung mga ano iba. 1,240. Maganda to. 1,666, 1,190, 1,400. So, ito yung mga pagpili niya. Napakadami. And if you need frames, ito naman siya. Mga frames naman. Right? Yan pa. Sa mga dressers nila. So, this one is Tabby dresser with stool brown. So, ito yung stool niya. This is 3,710. So, naka-promo price na siya. Still, ganda naman ano nito. So, you can place your powder here, makeup's there. Then, meron ka namang drawer dito. Oops, hindi ko na masara. Sorry. There. Then, this is the same model. Then this is oak naman. So you have this tool there. It's 3,710. And this is some West dressing table stool. It's the original price is 4,900. Then you have also the stool there. It's only now at 3,430. Promo price ko na. Not bad na. Medyo malaki-laki to kaysa compared to sa isa. Then this one is a much larger dresser. It's 7,000 pesos. It's Renata dresser. So, simple lang. So, meron kang konting lalagyanan dun sa ilalim. Plus, sa top lang yung mga pwede mong ilagay na mga liliit na makeup. So, this is the maple color. Then, this is the dark walnut color. It's the same thing. Medyo malaki-laki yung mirror niya. So, yung gilid niya or the frame of the mirror is all mirror. So wala siya yung nasa gilid na or meron siyang gilid na na wood. So this one is all mirror naman siya. So yeah. So this one is 4,100. So 4,100. So may discount pa to na 30%. So mangyayari is you also have the stool, and this is called Argent dresser. So cappuccino naman yung kulay nito. This one is Rita standing dresser. So this one is 4,780. So pwede mong lagyan ng sapatos. Kung ako lagi sa sapatos ko lalagyan tayo. Medyo Hindi siya na ano naman sa wala siyang mahal para sa sapatos lang na ilalagay. So this is a full body mirror. Sulit ka na dito kasi yung full body mirror ka na. Then you can have your things placed there. So this one is another, it's a yuca dresser naman. So this is a small type dresser. May stool na rin siya kasama. And it's 4,770. Then this one is Moore dresser. It's 4,950, almost 5,000. So ito yung magic yan. Once you open this one, it will show you the mirror na. Yeah, there goes the mirror, and you can have your things placed here. Then you have a single drawer here. So very ano siya, plain lang siya. Parang naalala ko dito yung mga makeup artist na ganyan type. So this is the white color, and this one is the walnut naman. But this one is another model. It's Alvar dresser naman siya. It's 13,000 pesos naman here, but I think it's the same. Yeah. Once you open it, you'll see the mirror. Pero medyo mas malaki, mas makapal to, yung dresser na to. So again, it's 30% off. Then this one is 10,800. It's called Taylor dresser naman. Okay, so you have also the mirror in the middle. So yun siya. So you have 2 drawers here, small drawers. Naalala ko dito yung drawer ng mga singer na pantahe. Parang ganito itsura, ganyan din karanikas yun eh. It's really good. It's 10,800. Ito, if you're on a budget right now, this one is for you. So this is a Olaf dresser, oak color. So price is 3,100. So magkaka-discount pa yan, may bawas pa yan. But yeah, here same goes. You also have a mirror here. Ayan. So maganda na to, very na to. Goodbye to sa 3,100. So if it's going to be a 3,100, then it's going to take out the 30% off. It's around 2,000 something, 2,200. It's around that price na lang. 3,100, 310 times 3, it's 930. So yeah, less than 2,100. So maganda na to. Wala lang siyang stool, but still it's a pretty good deal na. If you're looking for an office table naman, this one is very large. Maganda to. So I think this model is called Miller series. It's 180 by 90 centimeters, and it's not 6,300. So it's basically 2 tables combined. This is the first table, and this is the smaller table. So the first table is around 180 centimeters, and the other one is around 90 centimeters. So malaki-laki siya. Nakikita mo naman yung upuan mo, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So malapad din siya. Plus kung gusto mo ng chair, this is only 2,500. Maganda rin to. This is mesh type. So kahit mainit, press ko siya. Maganda na to sa 2,500. Ayan. Chicken ko nga. Ayan. Then this one is another, this is a 4 type office. It's Lexi partition with 4 fixed drawers. So pang-apatan to. So this one is 29,900. This is 29,900 for 4 people na. So kung mag-office ka, so this is good kasi meron din siyang kasamang ganito. Meron ka ng pedestal na kasama. So not bad. On to some much cheaper work desk. This is 3,500. So naka-promo price na siya. So meron ka ng drawer na 4. Then this one is naka-promo price. Then this is 4,270. Kasama na siya dito sa ilalim na lalagyan na ng PC. Ito, medyo ito. Mura na to. Sa 2,590. Naka-promo price na rin siya. Yeah, you have a space sa baba where you can place your computers, your speakers there, or dito mo i-place yung desktop mo. Plus meron ka drawer na here. So this one naman is very simple. It's auxiliary training table. This one is 3,800. So may ano pa to? 30% off pa to. So meron kang dalawang space na pwede mo paglagyan ng keyboard mo or mga things mo. And this one is also good. Parang meron kang another post here na pwede maglagay ng decorations mo. Then this is called Lindell Study Desk Walnut. It's 4,170. So may less pa to. So pwede ka rin maglagay sa baba, here, tsaka here. So dalawa silang space na pwede mo paglagyan. So if you want a plain white table, this one is Fiona Student Desk. This is color white. This is 4,800. Very, ano siya, ang linis niyang tignan. So it's 120 centimeters by 75. And I think the height is, let us check, it's 75 the height. And the width is 60 centimeters. So this one is Soren Computer Desk. This 3,000 pesos. Not bad na to. Sa 3,000 ito lang siya, malinis tignan. Kung 30% off pa, it's 300 and 10%. It's like 2,100. Not bad for 2,100 for this one. Then this one is naka-promo price na siya. It's 2,331. So this is what it looks like. Yung dalawa nating nakita. That's the other one. This is a Coral Desk Oak. This is 2,940. So very simple. The steel base lang siya. It's most likely color white. So very minimalist lang. So I think this is 3/4 ng plyboard na to. Yeah. So that's 2,940 if you will have a 30% off. So I think this will become 2,700. I think 2,100 din to. Ito medyo maliit-liit. Naka-promo price na. It's 1,379 pesos. Is Thomas Office Desk. Maliit lang to. Lalo na sa maliliit na desk. So, pwede na rin. You have your drawer here. And, yeah, you can study here naman. Ito naman, doesn't have any price, but it looks good. Then, this is a Rocky Computer Desk. This is 3,560. So, meron kang storage sa taas. Lagay mo dyan yung table mo, or yung TV mo. Mag-edit ka, or TV sa taas. Okay, sa liit, may nanonood, tapos ikaw mag-aaral dyan. So, very minimal lang siya. Then they have several chairs here. Sa baba, it's all 30% off. Pero ito pinakamalupit. So, this is the high back office chair. It's 9,280. For the chairs naman, ito na. You can search the chairs naman online. Actually, everything you can search online on their website. So, ito na yan. So, magiging 30% off lahat yan. Accent chairs are over there. Armchairs and ottomans are there. So, there. So, around here, you have also the chairs here. You have the curtains here. So, you can check all the items online. You have the pillows here. And the sofas here. Pag nag-sale kayo, 30% lahat. Maliban sa mga promo price na nila. Just waiting for my items. Then, na ako. Okay. So, yung ganda naman here. All the items are available online. Then, you can have it. Okay. Alright, thank you. Kunin ka na yung items. Madami bang pick up ngayon?
Ito pa tayo natin.
Pick up din ako. Hindi, akin yung kahoy yung sa akin eh. Puro pick up na lahat.
Ako.
Dami ah. So there you go guys. So, pinakita ko lang yung ibang items doon. Kung may nagandahan kayo or may nagustuhan kayo, please come visit Mandawi Foam. Check also their website kung ano yung mga magaganda, yung mga prices nila. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. And hope to see you on the next one. God bless.